Hey Joey, I've been wanting to talk about our hobbies and interests. I think it's important to know what we both enjoy doing in our free time. What are some activities you're passionate about?
Absolutely, Monica. I'm glad you brought it up. Well, one of my biggest hobbies is playing sports. I love basketball and have been playing it since I was a kid. I find it exhilarating and a great way to stay active. How about you? Are you into any sports?
That's awesome, Joey. I used to play volleyball in high school, and I still enjoy playing it casually with friends. But lately, I've been more into yoga and meditation. It helps me relax and stay centered. I find it to be a great way to unwind after a long day. Have you ever tried yoga?
That's interesting, Monica. I've never tried yoga myself, but I've heard great things about its benefits. Maybe I should give it a shot sometime. Besides sports, I'm also really into music. I play the guitar and sing in a band with some friends. It's a lot of fun and a creative outlet for me. Do you have any musical interests?
That sounds amazing, Joey. I've always admired people who can play musical instruments. While I don't play any instruments myself, I do enjoy listening to music. I have a pretty diverse taste, ranging from pop to classical and everything in between. Music has a way of touching my soul and setting the mood for different occasions.
That's great, Monica. It's always nice to have a wide range of music to enjoy. Speaking of setting the mood, another hobby of mine is cooking. I find it therapeutic to experiment with different flavors and create delicious meals. Plus, it's a wonderful way to bond with loved ones over a shared dining experience. Do you like cooking too?
Absolutely, Joey. I enjoy cooking as well, although I wouldn't say I'm as skilled as you. I love trying out new recipes and exploring different cuisines. It's such a joy to see the smiles on people's faces when they taste something I've prepared with love. It's also a great way to express creativity in the kitchen.
That's fantastic, Monica. Cooking is indeed a wonderful way to express creativity and bring people together. Maybe we can try cooking something together sometime. It could be a fun and delicious experience for both of us.
I would love that, Joey. We can combine our love for food and enjoy the process of cooking together. It sounds like a perfect date night idea.
Definitely. It's settled then. We'll plan a cooking adventure soon. I can't wait to see what culinary delights we'll create together.
Me neither, Joey. I'm really excited about it. It's great to know that we share common interests and hobbies. It makes our connection even stronger.
Absolutely, Monica. Our shared interests and hobbies will definitely add more fun and depth to our relationship. I can't wait to explore these activities together and create amazing memories.
Same here, Joey. Here's to many adventures, both in and out of the kitchen.
Cheers to that, Monica.
Joey, I've been wanting to talk about our families and the important relationships in our lives. Our loved ones play a significant role in shaping who we are. Tell me about your family. What are they like?
J2. I'm glad you brought it up, Monica. My family is very close-knit. I have a younger sister named Emily, and we share a strong bond. My parents have always been supportive and loving. We often spend quality time together, whether it's family dinners, game nights, or even vacations. I consider myself fortunate to have such a loving and supportive family. What about you? Tell me about your family.
It's wonderful to hear about your close relationship with your family, Joey. My family is also very important to me. I have an older brother named Alex, and he has always been there for me, offering guidance and support. My parents have taught me the values of love, compassion, and hard work. We have a lot of fun family traditions, and our get-togethers are filled with laughter and warmth. I feel blessed to have such a loving and caring family.
It's great that we both have families who have instilled important values in us and created a loving environment. Beyond our immediate families, do you have any close friends who are like family to you?
Absolutely, Joey. I have a small group of close friends who I consider my chosen family. We've been through thick and thin together, supporting each other through various phases of life. They are the ones I can count on, and I'm grateful for their unwavering support and friendship. How about you? Do you have friends who feel like family to you?
Definitely, Monica. I believe that close friendships are an essential part of life. I have a few friends who are like family to me. We've been friends for years, and we've created a strong bond. We've shared countless memories, supported each other through ups and downs, and celebrated each other's successes. They are like a second family, and I cherish the connections we have.
It's beautiful to have those meaningful friendships that feel like an extension of our own families. Now, shifting gears a bit, I want to talk about our relationship. I'm grateful to have you in my life, Joey. You bring so much joy, love, and understanding. How do you feel about our relationship and the connection we share?
Monica, our relationship is incredibly special to me. You make me feel loved, understood, and supported. We have a strong connection that goes beyond just physical attraction. It's a bond built on trust, respect, and shared values. I feel fortunate to have found someone like you, and I'm excited about the journey we're on together. Our relationship brings so much happiness and fulfillment into my life.
Joey, your words mean the world to me. I feel the same way about our relationship. We have a deep connection that grows stronger each day. It's wonderful to have a partner who understands and accepts me for who I am. I'm excited to see where our love takes us and to create a beautiful future together.
I couldn't agree more, Monica. With our love, support, and shared dreams, I believe we can overcome any challenges that come our way. Let's continue to nurture our relationship, grow together, and create a loving and fulfilling life.
Absolutely, Joey. Together we can face anything that comes our way. Let's keep the love and happiness alive, cherishing each other and the beautiful bond we share. Here's to our love and the incredible journey ahead of us. Joey, I've been thinking a lot about our education and career paths. It's an important aspect of our lives and plays a significant role in shaping our future. How are things going for you in terms of your studies or career?
Great topic, Monica. Currently, I'm pursuing a degree in computer science. I've always been fascinated by technology and its potential, so I decided to dive deeper into the world of programming and software development. It's challenging, but I find it incredibly rewarding. What about you? What field are you studying or working in?
That's awesome, Joey. Computer science is a dynamic field with so many opportunities. As for me, I recently graduated with a degree in psychology. I've always been interested in understanding human behavior and the complexities of the mind. I'm currently exploring career options in counseling or research. It's an exciting and fulfilling path for me.
That sounds fascinating, Monica. The field of psychology offers a deep understanding of human nature, and there's so much potential for making a positive impact. I'm glad you found a path that aligns with your interests and values. Have you considered any specific areas of specialization within psychology?
Absolutely, Joey. I've been leaning toward specializing in clinical psychology, as I have a strong desire to help individuals overcome mental health challenges and lead fulfilling lives. It's a field that requires continuous learning and staying up to date with the latest research and therapeutic techniques. But I'm open to exploring other areas as well.
That's wonderful, Monica. Your passion for helping others is truly admirable. The field of clinical psychology is crucial, especially given the increasing importance of mental health awareness. I have no doubt that you'll make a significant difference in the lives of many.
Thank you, Joey. That means a lot to me. So, what are your plans for your future career in computer science? Are you more inclined towards a specific specialization or a particular industry?
Currently, I'm keeping my options open, Monica. The field of computer science is vast, and there are numerous possibilities. I'm particularly interested in software development and artificial intelligence. The idea of creating innovative solutions and pushing the boundaries of technology excites me. However, I'm also open to exploring different industries and finding opportunities where I can apply my skills to make a positive impact.
That's fantastic, Joey. It's great to have a diverse range of interests and possibilities. The world of technology is constantly evolving, and your skills will be in high demand. I have no doubt that you'll excel in whatever path you choose.
Thank you for your support, Monica. It's wonderful to have someone who understands and appreciates the journey we're on. As we embark on our respective careers, I believe we can support and inspire each other to reach our goals and dreams.
Absolutely, Joey. We can be each other's biggest cheerleaders and provide the necessary support as we navigate our professional journeys. Together, we can achieve great things and create a fulfilling life for ourselves.
I couldn't agree more, Monica. Here's to our education, our careers, and the exciting future that lies ahead. May we continue to grow, learn, and make a positive impact along the way.
Cheers to that, Joey. Let's embrace the opportunities that come our way, pursue our passions, and build a bright future together.